What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today is Saturday. Got the wife's Explorer up front. Got Gabriel back here with me. What's up, Gabe? Say hey to everybody out in YouTube land. Yeah, that's my partner in crime right there. You guys know I can't do anything without him. So, okay, today's mod, I got to thinking what would really be cool. On the headlights right there, it lights up just sort of like the Alpha Rex and the Morimotos. It's got the white, and I thought, man, that would really be cool if right here we did the Sparksmith Company's LED white light like I've got on Legend. I was going to show you. I'm looking that way to see if I can see the truck, but I can't. So stay tuned. I'm gonna entertain the idea of trying to put both of those fog lamps or LED strips that look sort of like fog lamps, but LED strips in the front right here where my thumb is on both sides. I think it might be a worthwhile mod if it pans out. So I've got the switches, the wire, everything. It's just going to take me a little bit of time, and let's see if we can get it to mount down there. All right, guys, stay tuned. Just to give you a little idea about what I'm talking about, this is sparksmith.com. You can look these guys up. All right, sorry about that, guys. We're having Gulf Force winds today in March here in North Carolina, so about lost my tripod. Okay, so sparksmith.com is the guys you want to contact for these awesome LED, they are super bright white lights, connectors, optional wiring. They come in 6, 9, 11, and 14-inch bars. Not sure, I think I got the 11-inch. So what we're going to look at, possibly, not really sure, either behind here or behind here. One of these opens, I'm not really sure. But stay tuned, we'll figure it out. I am decided to put it right here. This is on the outside of these grill bars, and I've used a very small zip tie to hold that and stick it back. And I'm sorry for the wind, I apologize. It's like always when I make a video, we've got 100 mile per hour tornado winds blowing. Oh my God. And this is crazy. Anyway, back to the project at hand. It's going to look really good. I've got the wires right here. We're fixing to wire them together, run inside to a switch, and I'll show you what it's going to look like afterwards. So. Guys, you can see they're inside the grill. They're in the bottom. All right, I'll show you. They're mounted. I just mounted them back in there. I got to hide the wires a little bit better, but yeah, it looks like it belongs in the grill. They don't stick out. So yeah, sparksmith.com if you guys are looking for an awesome LED for the front that really goes with the factory lighting. All right guys, so that's gonna do it for the Sparksmith LED lighting that I've put on there. You guys can also see, here's Legend, and look for the video that we did. I've got them in the front of the truck as well. So if you guys have not subscribed, please subscribe, like, follow, share, everything. Help your boy out. Till next time, catch you in the next video. Later.